Kinsan.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, thank you.
I heard you make some very good soba noodles.
Yes.
I want to learn. Come and teach me. Come on, let's go.
Go.
Today on My Market Kitchen, I have a very special guest cooking me one of my favorite dishes, soba noodles. Kinsan, welcome.
Thank you very much. Today I'm cooking for soba noodle. So this soba noodle is it is not Japanese one, but in Australia, hakubaku. This was organic.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so
yes,
beautiful
very
one.
special.
So in Australia is a very good for flour.
Yes.
That's why for Japanese people making for good soba noodle.
Just like pasta.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So first,
Yes.
we making for dashi stock.
Yes,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Today we cooking vegetable one.
Vegetable dashi.
Yeah.
Because the regular dashi is normally with bonito flakes, which is a dried
Exactly,
fish.
yeah.
Yes, okay, so we're going all vegetarian.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, how do we do that?
One of the ingredient,
Yes.
shiitake.
Yes.
So shiitake mushroom is not using for fresh one,
Yes.
dry one. It's
Yeah.
more good flavor.
Yes.
Also, of course, umami taste.
Kombu.
Yeah, kombu.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dashi is a cooking with water
Yes.
from water temperature so about for water temperature.
Yep.
Put in dashi
Yep.
kombu.
Yep.
Heat up for about 70 or 60 degrees.
Yes.
Otherwise, if like a more high temperature,
Yep.
the umami taste is gone.
So we start it nice and cold.
That's right.
From cold, and we bring it only up to 70 degrees because if we bring it above that,
Exactly.
it goes cloudy and you want it to be very, very clear and
Exactly,
you want to
yeah.
taste all those
Yeah.
natural flavors.
And today,
Love it.
so I'm start for water with
Yes.
kombu and the shiitake
Beautiful.
about six hour or maybe 1 night.
Okay, beautiful.
Yeah,
So,
so-
always good to maybe start this process the day before, leave it in the fridge,
Yeah.
and then come back to it.
More mild dashi is can making.
Yeah. So Kinsan, because I know you want the flavor to be perfect today, you've actually made one last night for us. It's been steeping, and now we're going to strain it, and we're going to use this fresh one from yesterday instead because we've got all the flavor, and you want this to be perfect.
Yes.
Beautiful.
You can try for flavor this one.
I would love to. Oh, maybe I'll try it.
Like umami taste,
Yes.
like ocean flavor,
Oh,
isn't
yum.
it? Yeah.
There we go. I'll pour that into this one
Yep.
for you. Now, what's next? The noodles. We need to cook the noodles.
No, today's we doing Zaru Soba. Zaru Soba is a cold dish.
Cold
That's
dish.
why. So this sauce must be cold. Okay, we making for dashi stock first. Dashi first.
Beautiful.
Need mirin
Yep.
and soy sauce.
So two very traditional Japanese ingredients that are used
Yes.
for seasoning.
So basically, cold soba noodle dashi.
Yes.
Very easy recipe. 114.
114.
1 part of mirin.
Yes.
1 part of soy sauce.
Yes.
4 parts of dashi.
Dashi. Beautiful.
Okay.
That smells so good.
Then heat up.
Yes.
Then take off and cool down.
Cool down. So what's next, Kinsan?
Next is we making garnish.
Beautiful.
Okay, can you help to me?
Yes, of course. Please put me to work.
Okay, can you grate it for a daikon?
Yes.
Okay, I explain daikon.
Yes.
Daikon is like this long.
Yep.
This part taste difference.
Oh, I did
Okay.
not know this.
So if cooked grated is here,
Yep.
quite mild.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But here little bit like a bitter,
Yes.
but more good taste.
Yep. So we're going to use this
Yes,
part.
that's why. This
now,
part.
for anyone at home, this is a Japanese white radish. So
White
you
radish.
get the really nice peppery flavors, just like the small little pink radishes that you can find at the shops. And these
Yeah.
ingredients are always found in the markets here, in small Asian grocers, and they're beautiful.
Okay.
I love it. Oh my God, look at this knife skill.
And this part, skin and the inside,
Yes.
skin part is more bitter.
Bitter, yes.
That's why for the skin side is take off.
And then just grate.
Please, thank
Do
you.
you trust me?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Okay, I cut in for
Am I doing
spring
this?
onion. So wasabi is people like wasabi anyway.
Yes, I love
hot
wasabi.
taste. Yep.
Nice and
So
spicy.
This wasabi is some people nothing for wasabi is
Yeah.
just eating for soba.
Yes.
But if you like hot taste,
Yeah.
I think
A
this
little
one
bit
is
of that.
better. Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's a middle. Yep. like
Beautiful.
this.
So we'll put this one to the side and we'll use that later.
Yes. Next is cooking soba noodle.
Beautiful.
I recommend about 4 minutes.
Yes.
Or 5 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Then soba is the most important is the texture.
Yes.
So if texture is a very soft, not good.
Not good. And so
Okay.
you want al dente texture, so nice
Yes.
and like a good crunch, just exactly how you should have your pasta cooked.
Yes.
You are talking to the right person here, because that's how I like mine.
So I put in
Beautiful.
hot water. So when I was for boiling for like a noodle,
Yes.
same as like pasta.
Yes.
Lots of hot water is
Yes.
good.
Very, very good. It has to be boiling and rolling
That's
to cook
right,
it.
yeah.
Beautiful. So we're going to let that cook and then we're going to cool it down, and I think we should start eating.
Yes.
All right, Kinsan, time to strain.
Yep. So not too much keeping for like
No,
ice water.
just
yes.
very quickly.
Yeah, that's right.
Beautiful. I am salivating. I am so hungry, Kinsan. You don't understand. Now, you were saying before, we've got this beautiful mat here. Now, what's this
Yes.
one? Zaru.
Zaru,
This
that's
is
right.
Zaru. So this is the Zaru Soba Noodle. And you serve it on this plate because you were saying that soba is a very cheap dish, usually in Japan. But if you put it on top of the Zaru, it makes it look bigger.
Bigger,
And you
yeah.
feel like you're getting your money's worth for the noodles. I love it. I love a story like that.
This one, kizami nori, is like a.
I'm just gonna sit like this and just watch you work. This is
Like
amazing.
this. Okay, that's one.
I'll get this one for you. All of our little condiments that we made. Put that down
Okay.
here in front.
That's right. This one. Oh, great.
And-
sauce.
How much? All of
Yeah,
it?
that's it.
Beautiful.
Okay, this one is a Japanese Zaru Soba dish. Okay, so we start
eat-
for eat. So
Tell me, how do we
Okay.
eat this? Because
Okay.
apparently there is an art to eating this. I need to know.
So this one is the most important thing.
Okay.
How to eat.
Yes.
If you like for like a garnish,
Yes.
like a daikon radish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, daikon radish is put in here. Mix.
Beautiful.
Next is if you like hot taste,
Yep.
wasabi. Yep. And spring onions here. Okay, sauce is ready.
I'll try the sauce quickly just to make sure it's perfect.
I think beautiful taste.
It's so beautiful.
Then it takes soba noodle like this much,
Yep.
not too much, like this much, for example. Yep.
Beautiful.
Have to be put in half,
Half dip.
not
Okay.
like a.
Otherwise it's
everything.
too much.
Yeah.
Yep.
Then eating for big sound.
That was the biggest slurp I've ever heard. So you have to slurp when you have soba noodles.
So don't be shy. So have to be eating for big sound. Yeah. So like.
So the bigger the sound, the better
yes.
the noodles.
Yes, that's right.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, Kinsan, thank you very much for
Yeah.
joining us. I am so excited to dig into this. I think we should make a bowl each and enjoy together.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy.